Hey guys, Nova Chihuahua here. If you're starting out as a photographer, a vlogger, or just starting out YouTube like me, you definitely need a tripod. Nobody likes a shaky camera. So for this reason, I decided to buy one of these. Today we'll be doing a review of the OWN tripod with smartphone cradle. They sell this at Walmart and I paid $14.99 for this one. Some of the features of this tripod is that you could mount GoPro cameras, cell phones, and you can mount regular cameras on there. It does have limitations as far as the weight of the camera that you can mount on it. The limitations are 4.5 pounds. So if your camera is heavier than that, it's not a good idea to mount it on this one. It comes with everything you need to mount a GoPro. It includes the GoPro mount. It includes a cell phone mount, everything you need basically. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is your GoPro mount. It has the screw-in connector down here. I believe it's 1/4 threaded mount, which is kind of universal for these cameras. Then it has the cell phone cradle. I've actually used this thing already. Yeah, I've used it already. I've used it with both my phone and my camera. And my current phone is a Samsung Galaxy, the big one. And it could fit my phone in here, no problem. Then of course you have the tripod itself. I believe collapsed like this, it's 17, almost 18 inches long. I believe 17.8 inches long. But once you extend it all the way, it's supposed to be 52 inches tall, which is more than enough for anything I'll be doing. So how does it work? I've tried it with both a cell phone and a camera, and it's performed great with both. So let me demonstrate how it works with camera. Here's my old Canon. Bought this from my wife. She never used it. It is a PowerShot SX720 HS. Still works, so I still use it. So basically, this portion here, it is a quick disconnect. So you just hold this lever and remove it. So here's your screw here. You screw it into cameras, like so. You know, you can just screw it in until it gets a little tight. Then you use the little key here, tighten it some more until you get the tightness you want. Nice and tight. Awesome. So then we reattach it here. Of course, you open this lever again. It's spring loaded, so it goes back on. Solid. Okay. So that's the cool thing about this thing, that you could attach cameras and cell phones as well. So let's go ahead and remove this one and put the cell phone on. Have to switch cameras now because I'm recording with my cell phone. So again, use a spring, take it off. Okay guys, so now I'm going to teach you how to attach the cell phone to the cell phone cradle. So this is your cell phone cradle here. I don't know what this is for, but this one is to make it wider or smaller and to tighten your cell phone once in the cradle. So let's go ahead and do it. Just put it this way. Put it this way or the other way. Then you tighten it nice and tight. See? Then go down here. We use the same base as we use with our camera and tighten it here. Screw it in. There you go. And again, you attach it, the cradle. Kind of have to slide it in there. Oops. Let it go. Make sure it's attached. Nice and sturdy. See? Beautiful. So it turns out I had an older phone that I could use to demonstrate this stuff. So another cool feature about this tripod is that you could turn the cell phone 90 degrees in case you want to record that way. So if you want to record at 90 degrees with your phone, all you have to do is loosen this knob here. This will loosen this hinge here, which will let you rotate the phone up like this. You can now record 90 degrees. Make sure you tighten it up. There you go. If you want to go back to landscape, like you should be recording, bam, tighten it back up. All right, so let me go ahead and extend this thing all the way and show you how I use it. Okay, so it comes like this, out of the box. If you want to extend it, first thing we need to do is unsnap these right here. There's 2 of them per leg. Here, another one, last one. Okay, so they're all unsnapped. Okay, so next thing we need to do is extend. As you can see, it extends twice. Once, then twice. Gotta do that for all the legs. So you get 4 each. Okay, next step is you want to snap them back in to tighten everything up. And do the other ones. There you go. Last step is to loosen this one here. And extend the neck. And tighten it up. Open it like an umbrella. You're all set. So one of the cool things about this is that once you put it on, you can use the handle here to make smooth movements. Kind of like a old school cameraman from those TV shows back in the day. So you could go ahead and pitch down, and you can loosen this here. Sorry, here. To pitch up or down. Just to loosen it or tighten it. Take some cool shots like that, looking down like this. I've done some of those on my channel. You can rotate it. You tighten that here, the rotation, you tighten it here. Lock it in there. And here, you have a bubble to level it if you want. I've never used it. I've never used a bubble before, but I'm sure somebody out there could use it, find a way to use it. This thing's pretty light without the camera. It only weighs 1.5 pounds. It's made out of aluminum, so you could take it anywhere pretty much. Like I said before, you could do a 90 degrees here. Some people like recording this way. Pretty neat. Bring it back, lock it in. And of course, you got your GoPro attachment. I don't have a GoPro camera, so I'm not really sure how to attach it, but it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to mount the camera on the tripod, and I'm going to perform some movements so that you guys can see how smooth it is. All right, guys, so I have you mounted on the tripod. I'm going to rotate the camera a little bit so you guys can see how smooth it is. Please excuse the mess. My garage. Okay, now I'm going to do some up and down movement. All right, so final thoughts. What do I think about this thing? I think it's awesome. When I first started my channel, which was about 2 weeks ago or something like that, I started looking for YouTube stuff, cameras, tripods, microphones, and pretty much every tripod that I found, you wanted a lot of money for it. So, I just said, let me go to good old Walmart and see what they got. So went on there, walmart.com, and then I found this thing for $15. And $15, that's a steal pretty much. So I don't see why you would need anything else, anything more expensive than this. I mean, it's just 3 sticks to hold your camera up and steady. And, it does everything I need it to do. So yeah, I recommend it. I've already used it, videotaping some welding and some other stuff in the backyard. So it's got dirty. I had it in the mud. It's fine. It's made out of aluminum. It won't corrode. It does everything I need. Definitely recommend it if you're starting out as a YouTuber, or just if you want to record stuff as a vlogger or a photographer or anything like that. So give this a thumbs up. All right, guys. If you have any comments, go ahead and comment below as usual, and hit like and all that stuff and subscribe.